Guys, welcome back. Today we have White Castles. Look at all the tasty things that we have. We have mozzarella sticks. This is a fish sandwich. The classic burgers, and these, oh, right here is the chicken rings, and we have a banana strawberry smoothie. So before we get started, let's do thumbnail. Let's see. I'll take okay. Not so extra today. What is this? Oh. Oh. That's my thumbnail. Oh. You know, you have to eat my mozzarella sticks as soon as you get them, because they be mozzarella sticks get cold fast, so you gotta hurry up and eat them. I was in a drive-through line for forever. I thought I was gonna never get my food. Y'all been noticing I've been doing classic burgers. I just been having a craving because old school stuff been tasting pretty good to me. So what I would say about the smoothie is it's thick. The flavor is there. Just a little hint of tart, just a little bit. But it's good. I want to try. I never had their fish sandwich before. Let's take this off. Sit you right here. Let me try without tartar sauce first. Oh, squirt it out. So yeah, they're good. It kind of tastes like fish sticks. Remember as a kid eating fish sticks? That's what this tastes like. So as I'm recording this video, I can hear the winds blowing so strong here. I think that's going around in a lot of other states too. But here in Michigan, the wind is blowing so bad. On my way driving to White Castles, I seen a tree on somebody's lawn blown down. No cheese pull. Mad about that. But yeah, a tree was blew down. The wind was shaking my truck when I was driving. I think it knocked my internet out for a second. And it's kind of warm out. What's this? I wanted some clams. They clams here be so good. She was like, we don't have no clams. I'm like, oh no. How you don't have no clams? Those be the best to me. If you never tried clams, try them at White Castles, because that's when you're going to get your full potential of flavor. Now, some days, growing up when I was younger, y'all know I love reminiscing on the past. I can't help it. We just gonna always talk about the past on this channel, because that was a lot of my great memories. But anyway, my grandma sometimes used to go to White Castle early in the morning for coffee. Why sometimes she used to let me get some cheeseburgers. We used to eat cheeseburgers early in the morning. And some people call these gas burgers. I never have gas eating these. I mean, I got a stomach of steel. That's why I was able to eat them in the morning. Yep, she used to get a coffee. And she'd be like, let me get 2 cheeseburgers. She's like, Kyrie, you want something? And I used to be like, the same thing you got? So in my head, she made it okay to eat. She made it okay to eat cheeseburgers in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just late now realizing that these cool boxes have stories on the back of them. So let's read a couple of them. This one says, lots of love and extra pickles. When Dale took his girlfriend to White Castle for the first time, he asked what she wanted to order. Her answer was order original sliders with extra pickles. This was the exact go-to order of his late father. He knew it was meant to be. Dale and Martina are happily married to this day. Dale and Martina Bemes, 2010, Oak Lawn, Illinois. Aw, that's so sweet. Okay, let's sit this here. This one says, a lineage of sliders. How's this for a Craver love story? One day, Laura met the love of her life standing in a White Castle line. She memorized his order and struck up a conversation. Fast forward a few years and now they have 2 kids who are also White Castle fans. Talk about movie potential. Laura Rayner, 2020, Edison, New Jersey. Aw, that one cute too. And then let's see. A kitchen fit for a slider queen. Michelle redecorated her entire kitchen to resemble a White Castle restaurant. That sounds cool. She even confessed during her introduction that she had stolen one of White Castle logo garbage cans to complete her kitchen decor package. We didn't press charges but requested that next time she asks. Michelle Purcell, 2001, Mount Pulaska, Illinois. I've been given a couple of Illinois. So let me eat some more of my chicken rings. That's cool that they're having these little stories on the back. That is so cool. I was smashing these little burgers. That was good. The chicken rings, the fish sandwich. Make sure you go to White Castle and try their banana strawberry smoothie. It's good. Let's read this one. Cartoonist cravings. White Castle slider inspired art made for an incredible body of work as this native Detroiter made his way to LA. Now Detroit, that's me. That's my hometown. Hi to all. So I'll read this one. Cartoonist cravings. White Castle slider inspired art made for an incredible body of work at this native Detroiter made his way to LA, but couldn't resist the crave for long. So soon he returned to his hometown. He created some special animation for a White Castle Thanksgiving stuffing recipe video that could only have been made by his passionate crave man, Gary Webb, 2007, Allen Park, Michigan. Now, I know what Allen Park is because, of course, I'm from Detroit. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I am Sokira. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.